Our top story is coming from the Delhi High Court, where former Deputy Chief Minister Manish Sisodia's bail plea has been rejected. In fact, the Delhi High Court observed that it's a case of grave misuse of power, and it has gone on to say that Manish Sisodia destroyed evidence. Let me bring in Aishwarya, who's joining us live. Aishwarya, give us the details.
Well, it's a twin setback for Manish Sisodia. Today, remember, in the morning, it was Delhi Rouse Avenue Court which extended the judicial custody of Mr. Sisodia till May 31st, and then all eyes were on the Delhi High Court as Delhi High Court was about to pronounce the order on the bail application that was filed by Mr. Sisodia in both the cases that were registered in the alleged Delhi excise policy case, whether the arrest of the CBI or the arrest later which was made by the Enforcement Directorate. Today, the Delhi High Court rejected the bail petitions of Manish Sisodia. In fact, the observations that were made by the Delhi High Court clearly had stated that this is a grave case of misuse of the powers. Manish Sisodia at that point of time had almost 18 portfolios. He was he was a very powerful man, and only on behest of Mr. Sisodia, it was the South Group who was contacted, and the entire policy was reframed in directions from Mr. Sisodia. It was also said in the observations by the Delhi High Court in an order that it was only Mr. Sisodia who had fabricated the views of the public. This is a misuse of the powers. Remember, it was the Delhi government at that point of time who had called in for the public survey of whether the Delhi excise policy should be reworked or not, and the response was fabricated. In this order, it has been clearly also stated that the email IDs, the phone numbers, the WhatsApp calls, messages, all were fabricated, and a wrong report was presented at that point of time that whether the excise policy that was newly reworked and redesigned
Okay,
should
Aishwarya,
be
before I let you go, a quick word
or not.
on what was the reason which was cited by lawyers of Manish Sisodia that he should be granted bail. Was it on the basis of his party boss having been granted bail by the Supreme Court on the ground that he should be campaigning? Is that the reason? Was that in the application?
No, actually, Manish Sisodia's counsels clearly stated that Enforcement Directorate and CBI both had been delaying the entire investigation process. In the application filed by Manish Sisodia's counsel, it was also stated that since the time he was arrested, there was no fresh developments, no fresh evidences that has come forward against Manish Sisodia, and therefore the reason perhaps now the bail should be granted, to which Delhi High Court dismissed it. Only relief that Manish Sisodia has got that he can meet his wife every week because his wife is suffering from several diseases, and it's his right to meet his wife. So that will continue, because that was a previous order of the Delhi High Court only, that he can meet his wife regularly per week. So that will continue, but the application, the bail application currently has been dismissed. He will continue to be in the judicial custody.